Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. I'm Jeff, and today I have another viewer requested video. They want to know how to remove the A-pillar on their 9-gen Honda Accord. And so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and pull down the weather strip right here. And then all you need to do is go ahead and pull this out. It's not going to come all the way out because there is a special clip that's right here that holds this A-pillar in just in case the airbag deploys. Once you have this separated, just go ahead and push it back. All right, so there you go, it's out. So it's held on by those two clips right there. And the special clip is still located right here. And that's where you want to slide it off. That's why you're yanking it towards the back. Now, here is a special clip that I was telling you about. In order to remove this, you see this little tab right here on this side. And you see the tab on the top, so the bottom and top. So you have to get a small screwdriver and pry those up. This one right here. And also that one right there. And this will come out. Let me do with my left hand. Hold. I know it's hard to see, but I'll show you in a sec. Push. So there you go. So I push the bottom here and push the top side here, and this whole thing will slide right off. Here's a close-up of the two tabs I pressed. It's the one right here and the one on top. When you press it, it presses this inwards, and so you're able to go ahead and remove this piece. Now to reinstall, what you need to do is you need to take the white piece right here and push it back into the black piece until you hear it clip back in like that. And then you're going to reinstall this on the A-pillar and back into the vehicle. All right, so I'm going to take the clip and slide it back into a slot. The fat side right here goes to the outside up here like that. So just take this, push it all the way back into the bottom right there, and then slide it back down and punch it in. And there you go. And take the weather strip and put it back on. All right, so that was a procedure on how to install and remove the A-pillar on your 9-gen Accord. If you have any other questions, please leave in the comments below. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, where I do monthly giveaways for my YouTube subscribers. As always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more video. Thank you.